Isn't it wonderful? Spring is here.
Spring sucks balls. It's the worst time of the year.
I love seeing the pretty colors and the blooming trees.
Getting my ass kicked by these fucking allergies.
It's great that daylight and warmth are things we're gaining.
I'm sick of these goddamn clouds. For Christ's sake, stop raining.
The smell of these flowers is wonderful and sweet.
Can't smell shit. I'm sick of this fucking sneezing.
The newly born wildlife are cute and lovely to see.
More damn animals to shit in my yard. Eat apples from my tree.
Soon I'll be spending time at rivers and lake sites.
I'll be damned if I'm anywhere near water. Can't stand mosquito bites.
This is race season. I look forward to seeing the ducks win and giving them high fives.
It's race season, all right. Gotta outrun all the bastards at Walmart every time a new shipment of Claritin arrives.
My yard's looking great. I'm sure glad last fall I planted those seeds.
Taking care of my yard's a bitch. Breaking my back trying to pull all these weeds.
I love seeing the robins and other birds that migrate from afar.
Damn it, more fucking birds. Just drop turds in my car.
I like relaxing on my porch, listening to the birds while I drink from my cup.
Like to have some peace and quiet. Which these yappy-ass birds would shut the hell up. Well, at least on the bright side, summer's gonna be here soon. Summer's gonna be here soon. I like that season a lot.
On the downside, summer's gonna be here soon. It's gonna get too motherfucking hot.